Okay, hello guys and welcome. This is just short analysis, which is gold. Okay, what next for gold? Because gold already break. Okay, I don't think so. We can sell for low risk and take buy for low risk. So both also risky. Okay, in case H4 close. Okay, H4 close break this level. Break. Okay, and then of course you want waiting for the pullback, but the zone buy. Okay, if you want ask me for zone buy, okay, I did it. Okay, another one. Okay, this is zone H4. Okay, zone H4. Sorry, zone H1. So this is possibilities if you want buy zone. Okay. This is first or second. For the better way, maybe you can wait for buy here, or just waiting for gold touch the support, then you can buy here. Okay, as for now, just focus on buy, because I think gold, when H4 already break out, so next destination gold can touch this level. Okay, just monitor on daily. Okay, daily. Okay, gold already react, so potential gold react at this level or this level. Okay, if crazy, gold can touch this level, engulfing daily. So this is potential for sell. This is also zone sell. This is daily, okay? But on H4 at this demand, at this sideway, maybe have potential retrace. Maybe we can scalping, or here, or here. So actually risky to trade gold. Okay, risky to trade gold. And another 1 hours have news GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY, I just focus on daily. Okay, 100 pips is coming on GBP JPY. Either buy or sell, I didn't know. If GBP is strong, that means GJ can fly. Okay, more than 100 pips, more than. Okay, if GBP weak, that means gold can touch daily level. Around, maybe we can check on H1. Around 50 pip or here. Or this level. Then gold GJ can fly again, or if break, gold can GJ can keep falling. Okay. I just analysis 2 pair, which is GBP JPY, because I have news in 1 hours. Okay, but I'm not share this signal because this is shit pair. Okay, but on GBP JPY will have big movement in 1 hours from now. Okay, for gold. Okay, gold. I'm still waiting for the breakout. Okay, another 1 hours. Another 1 hours. The decision already making from this resistance. If this resistance breakout, that means the answer is we need to waiting for the pullback. Maybe pullback 50 pips or 30 pips or 100 pips, and then gold can fly again. Okay, so risky. So risky if you want straight, because didn't have any confirmation. Only uptrend. Okay, because of war, because of sentiment of war. So be careful. Okay, on H1 also breakout. So this is the zone that you need to monitor, 1874. And this is also can try, but if you have capital that you willing to lose, you can try buy. But for me, if you want to play safe, I will waiting here for buy.